On today's episode, Tyler says great.
Great.
Eric sings a song.
Oh, man, mama.
And I get a present from Fran.
What the The valves are closed right now, so it shouldn't be stupid loud.
Oh, I want stupid loud. So Fran already flashed it. Oh, would you open them?
I think so.
That's quite a lot. So it's basically going out of these two. And then when you open it, it opens this one. Let's do an inside start now that I've put some gas in it. Jesus Christ. It's pretty loud. Alright, just needs to get tuned. It's no worse than the C7s, though.
No.
What do you got going on with this G8?
Heads cam.
Heads cam? Nice. This is the one we just did, we just did the headers, or we just did intake and stuff?
Did just the headers, I believe.
Okay. Not long
bit
ago,
ago.
a couple months ago, right?
Yeah, something like that.
Nice. Buddy.
Thanks, buddy.
So helpful.
Every now and then,
yeah. Nice and gunky.
Nice.
Yeah.
They look great.
It's
Great.
a little dirty.
Just a little bit.
Let's get new ones.
Yeah. New valley cover too.
Nice.
So we'll get all kinds of new stuff and won't look anywhere near this.
These headers look so small now.
Just there's a lot more room in this than in
I know.
most things.
They just look like little itty bitty guys. Little itty bitty headers. Little itty bitty headers. Hey, buddy.
Hey,
How's the parade?
fun.
Yeah. I'm surprised you're here today.
Yeah, well, I'm here.
It's the new cams in.
Yeah, it is.
Good. Well, I'd hope so with the front cover going back on.
My point exactly.
It was kind of like a rhetorical question. It was a question to ask you to describe what's going on. Sweet. You excited for this Pro Charger?
Yeah, like I can't wait. Like, it's everything I've ever dreamed of.
God, it's Friday, Eric. Come on, cheer up.
Yeah, I know it's Friday.
Cheer up,
Feels like
Buttercup.
Monday for me, actually.
You sound like.
I know. I think I might have smoked a cigar yesterday and inhaled the whole thing.
That's pretty awesome.
I think that's what happened.
You're probably hanging out with Joey Mack and he gave you a cigar. It's
I
probably what
wasn't
happened.
hanging out with Joey. One of my friend of mine's cousin, his buddy had a cigar. I saw it in a Snapchat video this morning, and I'm like, I must have been smoking that.
It's probably a cigar. You're not a connoisseur like Joey and I. My Liga Privada, T52s, number 9s.
Cool, nice.
Yeah, you don't know what I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm fan number 10s.
Ah, look at that. Heads are off. Good job.
Yeah.
And the front cover. Yeah, Pro Charger's kind of taking up all that other table.
Well, that's like Eric didn't watch the video.
No, he didn't. Aren't you glad you don't have to take the pans off for these? Versus what he's doing?
Yeah, but you do have to do this stupid bolt
Yeah.
on the other side of this, which is annoying.
But you didn't have to
There's
take the...
place for a bolt. I don't know which I'd rather do. Deal with taking the pan. At least the pan would be easy enough just to... It sucks having to take it off, but I know how to do it. It's easier to get to. At least I can reach all the bolts on the pan.
Stop crying.
I gotta take the old pump off.
And then yank that
Yep. And then put new things in and
new things.
new cam in, and I think there's a new timing chain over there. I'm not sure. There might be.
I think there is.
Probably.
Yep. I found it. That's one of the things we always do is sometimes people compare quotes of like heads cam package from one place to the next, and one place is more, one place is less.
More expensive.
We add everything from lifters, timing chain. I mean, all the things that you really should replace. Some places don't, so that can be the difference in price.
Yeah. It's always nice that while you're there, you might as well do this stuff while you're there anyway, rather than just put the old stuff back in. So
they're not expensive parts.
No, and just nice to get them out of the way, and they're fresh and good to go, and don't got to worry about them. And especially if you're gonna take something that normally would rev from like stop at like 55 or 6,000 to almost 7.
Yeah. Yeah. I agree. All right. Well, you have fun with that. Get the new cam in.
Okay.
And I'll check back.
Okay.
Okay. Good job.
Bye.
Let's bother Eric. Let's see if he doesn't want to punch me in the face today.
Every day.
Why are you so mean? Your father said that you were very drunk yesterday.
You sound like a Guido.
I don't know what your mom sounds like, so that's what I just come up with.
She sounds like a woman.
I can't speak Delco woman. I don't. Don't do that, Eric. See, I still can't do it. I still heard you were hammered yesterday. Your father said you were at the parade.
Yeah.
Someone said he was from Delco, and he said that's how they say it. So he stood up for you.
Yeah, it is how I say it. We've already went over this.
How do you say water?
Water?
See, you say that correctly, though.
You don't say water.
What about that? What about the thing that's not a river? It's a little
creek.
Small. Yeah, see?
It's not a crick.
Well, I'm just
I
saying.
hate when people say crick.
Those are Philly things, and I'm just.
Crick. Come on now.
I know. It's creek.
Oh, man, the box.
I can't tell what's better, this or Creed.
Dude, Creed is way better than this. I can't stand this band. Rooster has got to be the worst song I've ever heard in my life. I just want to smash my head against the wall.
You should.
Yeah.
I'll film it. Do the poll.
Today on Fran's Mail Time.
It's not really mail time.
What is it?
I bought you a gift the other night.
Is it actually for me?
It is actually for you.
I think you're lying.
I promise you. Do you want to open it? You can set the camera down and just open it.
You actually bought this for me.
Yeah, I actually bought you a present.
I don't even want to know.
You can use two hands. Don't get styrofoam all over. I said put the camera right there.
Give me the box. Let me pour this in.
Wait, and I'll record you, dumb.
You don't know how to use the focus.
What the f? It's literally a trophy. Thanks for your participation. Dude, I hate you.
Does it have your name on it?
It does. Dude.
I don't know how to like zoom or anything. I'm just focusing.
You're such a You're such I hate you so much.
That's a cool little trophy, isn't it?
I don't want a participation trophy.
But now you have
I
one.
don't want one. I will only want a trophy if I earned it. I'm not a
Well, you did earn it.
I can't believe you spent money on that.
Just what do you think about his trophy, bud?
Now there's foam everywhere. The focus is you see the green letter?
Yeah.
It's called peaking. It lets you know when it's in focus.
You can figure it out.
I hate you.
The fact that it has my name on it.
Yeah, I got it custom made.
Dude.
It's got a little guy. You got a little thumbs up.
It should be gold.
It is gold.
It's bronze.
Well, that was.
It's a
I
glass.
didn't really have too many options, Steve.
I hate you. Thanks. I get you this cool thing here. I'm a nice guy.
I know.
I'm back.
Great.
Aren't you excited?
No. I'm really not.
It's not very nice. Do these have the same torque pattern as the LS's?
Nope.
Really? Different pattern?
Yeah.
I guess when you've done as many of these, you know what it is. Yeah, nice little K-Tech Valley cover. So we're gonna keep the 10% lower now?
No, I just put it back on. I'm going to take it off here in a little bit and put the other new one back on.
God, sarcasm is real in this one.
Yeah, it really is, because you ask questions like that, and it's like, come on.
Well, I knew if we were gonna keep the old blower, we were gonna swap it. But since we're now going with a Pro Charger, I guess it's okay.
I mean, I guess you're right.
These are the things I wish you would say, rather than the stupid things you do say.
Well, I mean, when you could just say, like, look, looks like the blower pulley's on, or
You
the
still would
blower
have
pulley's
had. You
on.
still would have had the same response. You know I'm right.
Yeah, I don't know.
So angry.
That's why they call me Angry Eric.
Yep. If you're nicer, I would give you access to your Instagram, but
Doubt it.
I kind of don't want to run it anymore. Just saying.
Then don't.
Then don't.
Give me the password to that thing.
I'll give it to you this weekend. How about that?
Then I'll get some real followers.
God. I'll give it to you this weekend.
After this, I'll put the headers on, and then I'll put the valve covers on. And I got to go over the intake manifold because I'm gonna put the water pump on too.
We're gonna do the
Because I got to do a
plate
catch
on it,
can,
right?
too. Yeah, yellow. Yeah. I would assume he wants to do yellow.
Yeah, we're doing yellow. So what we do on Pro Chargers is we make a plate for underneath of here, and we color match it usually to the car or brakes or whatever the customer wants. So we're gonna do a yellow plate underneath of here, so that the Pro Charger comes out in yellow.
Sick. Nice. Man, you're not going to be here next week, man. That sucks.
Yeah, so Fran is in California right now, and then I will be away this coming week. So if you're watching this, I am away. Eric is going to be the happiest he's ever been, but it won't be on camera, unless Tyler films.
Yeah, Tyler.
Tyler's going to film. So we're going to have Tyler film Mike's car when it goes on the dyno.
Oh, man.
So
How about them birds?
Yeah, how about him, man?
So Tyler's gonna film while I'm gone, right?
Maybe. Means the camera's gonna be all like this and all over the
probably.
place, and
Is that how it goes?
yeah.
It's the most important YouTube week ever. Steve's not gonna be.
Maybe. Me in the mountains snowboarding.
Good timing, Steve.
It's at the same time every year I go.
Well, you should have moved it a week.
None of this was planned 6 months ago. Yeah.
Sounds like your problem still, not mine.
No, but guess what? Now it's your problem. Like Bill said, my problems become your problems.
Still not sure how that works.
Yeah. I'll give you a little camera rundown.
Yeah, and then you gotta find it when you come back.
Wow, is this more metal?
You have to make a whole new like opening monologue.
Dude, that thing is heavy.
Oh, the FedEx guy was.
Complaining again?
Oh God, like he's never picked something up heavier than 10 pounds in his life. Maybe it's like a huge box of dicks or something.
You would like that, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Fragile.
Must be Italian.
Must be Italian. That's fragile.
You know what movie that's from?
Christmas Story?
Yes.
Duh. Dude,
I was gonna say
you
Steve.
can't stump me on that. I used the reference.
You did. A lot of people use references and never seen movies though.
Oh, something pink.
Okay. Yep. Well, we got a little.
Note.
A long-winded note. Race Proof Motorsports. As a loyal YouTube subscriber, Instagram follower, customer, and motorhead, I felt it was necessary to send a care package, hopefully to fan with mail time. Oh, it's Matt. Okay. Matt01 Matt.
Oh, from New York?
Yep. You can read, Steve. That's a lot.
I will put his Instagram up on the screen.
Yes, go follow Matt.
Matt's a good guy. There's some stuff for Angry Eric, stuff for me. Oh man, dude, he hooked it up.
Fisherman's Friends.
Holy cow. Dude.
40 count pack of 12.
A decent supply of Fisherman's Friends lozenges. Hopefully this will get you through the rest of the cold season and boost your immune system.
Steve.
What?
Sweetest fishies.
Oh my god. Dude, this is the best mail time ever.
Seriously. I don't know what this is.
Fran, 10-pound bag of Swedish fish because Swedish fish are awesome.
I love Swedish fish.
Who wouldn't want a 10-pound
They're
bag
gonna be 8
of awesome?
pounds by the time Fran gets back from Cali.
I also included a mug with my favorite Dumb and Dumber quote on it to show you that I'm not some loser who's never seen Dumb and Dumber. So you can continue to work on my quote. Bill, a Godfather beer glass because the wise words of Don Vito Corleone, revenge is ish, best served with a cold beer. Steve, a cheesy fake camera lens coffee mug because you have a camera and I guess it's kind of cool.
Aspen, California, where the beer flows like wine.
That's awesome. Yes, that's my coffee mug lens.
Oh, that's cool. It's like a lens. I get it.
Yeah. They've got a top to them. I've seen them before.
That's pretty bad.
Yeah. So in conclusion, if this doesn't get its own mail time segment on the YouTube episodes, I'm gonna bring my car. No, don't worry. We will include it.
Holy shnikes, a bunch of monsters.
I was just saying how we needed some more. That's why it was so heavy. Dude, best mail time ever.
Are they for Eric?
The rehab ones, yeah, those are the ones that Erica likes. That's old school RPM web series there. That's season 3.
Yeah, let me see the disclosure list. So me and Steve spoiled your mail time because there's a lot of monsters and then Swedish fishes and then like this thing and then the best cup ever.
He's bringing his car in this thing?
Yeah, because we were talking and he was asking me, he's like, sorry for all the dumb questions. And he's like, so what's your favorite movie?
Very, very epic. We will have to do a photo shoot of this car while he's here. That's sick.
Fred, don't open that.
So what is that? He's got a year's supply of Swedish fish. And then the monsters, we should put the monsters in the fridge. Okay.
Oh, wow. Look at this one out.
Monsters. Where did that come from?
A viewer. Matt with the CR1. He's coming down in a couple weeks. He sent us a whole bunch of stuff. It's a good way to get through the Friday.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.